Okay guys, so first I put on my moisturizer. It's the Mary Kay Intense Moisturizing Cream. I also went behind that and put on the Under Eye Cream by Mary Kay, the Time Wise Under Eye Cream. And also I use the Pore Minimizer to smoothen that skin out and get those pores tight. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to put it on my eyelids to get ready to put on my eyeshadow. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Shade Palette. I'm taking that orange color and I'm putting it in my crease as a transition color. And you need to blend, sis. Blend until your fingers fall off. Okay, I'm going back into the palette using a smaller tapered brush and taking that hot pink color and putting it into the outer V of my eye. I'm just going to blend it there. Y'all, I was experimenting with this and I'm just taking y'all on the journey. So here we are and here we go. Now, first of all, why did y'all not tell me my lips was ashy? Put some of that moisturizer on there. Good, go stuff, that good stuff. Into the palette and we're going to get this turquoise aqua-ish color. I'm going to place that on the lid. Also, I'm using a semi-flat brush and I'm packing it on rather than swiping so much. Mostly packing it on to get that color pop. You feel me? Alright, now we're taking that electric purple. I know it looked like I was pointing to the one below it, but that electric one, and we're going to put that on the outer V right there on the edge to kind of give it a smoky-ish, purplish Disney princess look. You feel me? When I'm doing these looks, looks, I usually just continue to blend until I feel like it looks seamless, or till I feel like I've had enough and my wrist is hurting, sis. No, I'm just kidding. Usually I just continue to blend till I get the look that I am looking to achieve. So I'm taking this clean, a little bit more firm yet still tapered brush to like buff out and blend. Really, the key is blending. Lexi said blending. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking some of the brush cleaner and cleaning that taper brush because I need to use it again. Okay, so I'm going back into the palette and I'm taking that same hot pink color, not the bottom hot pink color. And I'm going back in to blend even more. Here I'm using the same brush that I used in the crease with that orange color. I'm just going back in to add some more color if I lost any by, you know, blending too much. So I'm taking this shiny gold creamy eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna put it on the top where you would do like regular eyeliner with like black, but I'm gonna use this gold to add a little pizzazz to it. You feel me? So I'm taking the Mary Kay Time Wise in bronze 170. I have a sample pack because I'm waiting on my real size one to come in, so don't judge me. And I'm taking me a kabuki brush and I'm blending that on in, y'all. Okay, I'm taking the same concealer, putting it under my eyes, bridging my nose, above my lip, my chin, my forehead, and I'm gonna blend till what? Come on, y'all can say it with me now, till your fingers fall off. So right here, I'm just taking that same foundation brush and just blending in some of those spots where the concealer is so there are no harsh lines. So we are flawless, sis. Right here, I'm going to take the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in Deep 35 and set my concealer. Hey, get it. Into the palette, taking the smudging end of that brush and that same pink color, and I'm going to smudge that under my eye so I can have a continuation of the color and bring it all together. Taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Deep to Dark, taking the contour color, and I'm going to contour. Okay, I'm squeezing the brush and I'm contouring from my eyebrow to the bridge of my nose just to keep everything flowing. Now I'm taking the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in Warm Berry, and if you don't have this blush, get it immediately. You can go on Amazon and buy it. Yes, we the plug. Go ahead. It's the plug over here at this place. Get you that blush, sis. Now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just blending it out just in case I put a little bit too much. I'm taking a beauty store eyeliner pencil in brown and tight lining my eyes just to make my eyes look a little bit more sultry. Taking the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara, putting that on before I pop these lashes on. I'm about to pop these lashes on off camera because I tried to do it on camera and let me tell you, wasn't popping. These are the OK Cosmetic lashes in Chic, and I will leave her information down below. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, and I'm going to pop this bad boy on. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. I'm just gonna pop this bad boy on. And your girl is done. This is my Jasmine Princess Mermaid inspired eyeshadow look. Y'all, thanks for sticking around. Like, subscribe, share this video, and thanks for being here.